You have the case diary?
Any date, madam.
Fifth.
There's an India, madam.
In that case, fourth. Yes.
India, madam. Deep loan.
I pray for listing of an unlisted matter. This man his default bail is due on 20. Despite that, my lord, the lower court has rejected his bail. This is the state of affair, my lord. His default, he was entitled for default bail on 20th of August, and today we are on 28th of 8 days illegal detention. And lower court rejected his prayer for default bail. Very surprising.
When did you file?
Today morning we are filing it, my lord, because my lord.
If you are filing it, then we cannot accept it. If you must have the filing number.
Filing number? My lord, I'm told the filing number is there.
What is the filing number?
Filing number.
9899.
Yes.
May it please, your lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 19, your lordship. Maybe adjourn for a week, your lordship. Interim order is there, your lordship.
Do you have the case diary, ma'am? Okay, fifth, 511.
In the meantime, your lordship, I am going to file an IA, your lordship.
That's up to you. Yes.
Mention in the item number 54 is also. That will kindly be updated, my lord. It is 61 days. And the period is 60 days. Kindly, 12, my lord.
Today is 60 days or how many days? Before rising, we will pass the order. First half.
Maybe, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 50, supplementary list. I want to withdraw this petition, my lord.
Okay, ma'am, please wait for a few minutes. After the mention is over, we'll pass your order.
Yes, Your Lordship. Item number 26, Lordship. Today I have some personal difficulty, Lordship. 26.
From which police station? From which police station? Yes, next.
I think you mentioned item number 44, Lordship.
Yes.
The day, Lordship. Lanka PS, Lordship. 44. Okay. CD 744.
In item 44. Let it be on sixth. There is no interim, I believe.
Lanka PS, Lordship.
I'm not entering.
Eight 11.
Lanka PS, Lordship. This case. Item 26, Lordship.
Okay, on 811.
811, Lordship. May take this. Mention item 33. Early interim may continue, Lordship. Interim order is there, Lordship. Is out of station. 33.
8.
With your lordship, I may be allowed to move here anticipated bail application tomorrow, lordship. We have filed it on Friday.
Why tomorrow? Wednesday.
Obliged.
May pleasure, Lordship. I beg to mention item number 15, Lordship. Kindly pass by for the lane. Scan copy was copied, Lordship.
I beg to mention criminal petition, don't day after tomorrow, my lord.
Criminal petition before the appropriate court.
My lord.
Before the appropriate court.
My pleasure, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, my lord. Matter may be adjourned for the day, my lord. May I please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, and the matter may be adjourned for 2 weeks. 6 and 12.
Do you have the case diary?
It's a motion matter, Lordship. Motion.
Why don't you fix today? After 2 weeks, I'm going to fix the list.
Please, your lordship. Please, I beg to mention item number 36, my lord. Kindly pass it off for 2 weeks, my lord.
36 series available.
After 4 weeks.
2 weeks.
Any interim?
No.
2 weeks. And it will fix the list.
Lordship, CDB retained, or
May please, Your Lordship, the item number 53, Lordship. Sarcastic case, Lordship, then DPS case, Lordship.
Just a minute. So these are available.
53.
Yes, what's your prayer?
The Lordship, the adjourn for 2 weeks, Lordship, the lower court fixed on the 30 for consideration of SARS, Lordship.
Yes, next.
Deep levels.
Here is a Lordship, I beg to mention for item number 31.
Yes, Lordship.
Matter may be pass over for the date. Lordship, any date next week.
Yes.
Scan copy, Lordship, scan copy was called.
Yes,
I have filed in the female revision petition against from
before the appropriate court. This matter is not taking up any revision matters.
Well, the one matter was listed on 23rd, my lord. Lordship was pleased to grant the interim bail. But in between, there is some sense, my lord, in during pendency, my lord, some more 2 sections were added. So I have filed a miscase, my lord, today. Can it be on tomorrow, my lord?
Okay. Order has been passed by the learned magistrate.
No, no, my lord. Your lordship was pleased to, yes, yes. Learned magistrate has added. my lord.
When
My lord,
By
on
which
19th, on 19th, sections were added. Obliged, madam.
Make clear. Item number 42, Lordship. This case, Lordship, I am not the council, Lordship. The learned council is, Lordship, having some problem, the illness, Lordship. Can it, 42.
42 CVs are there.
Panjal letter is learned council. Can it be after 1 week, Lordship?
on Tuesday. 5/11.
5/11. Interim order, Lordship.
City to be retained.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Mohammed.
Yes, Lordship. My lord, in a DB case, instead of filing appeal, criminal petition has been filed. So we are suffering, so matter may be listed on 30.
Not before this court, before the appropriate court. Because we are taking only bail matters, not the criminal petitions.
But criminal petition is written perhaps in the. That's why. I don't think it will be happen.
Which criminal special acts under below 7 years? That's why I'm asking. Special acts are below 7 years. Your matter relates to which case? What? Provision?
3 years. 3 years punishment, maximum up to 5 years.
Which is the act?
Domestic violence.
Okay. Monday next.
Monday.
Relative 439 bail application already all the most of the witnesses are examined.
Items. Being ready, council, our Begum council appearing to the petition. Unanimous. Legal and additional public, there are some for the. Step respondent number 1. Case petitioner Rajiv Devnath. File this application. Under section 439 CRPC 1973, radio section 383 BNSS. Seeking his bail in Samaguri PS case number 179 of 8024. Under section 354, AIPC, edu section 8 of the BSS. Ms. Begum, on instruction of the petitioner, submitted that during the delivery or during the pendency of this bill application, most of the prosecution witnesses have already been already produced evidence. I mean, you have the same. The petitioner is not pressing this bill application. To which, in addition, but the prosecutor has informed the question, maybe petitions to the solution.
My pleasure. Petition 39 behind the bar, Lordship. Lordship, box is there, Lordship. Lordship, notice may be issued for the record, Lordship. FIR page number 10.
Subsequent negative.
No. Should be.
Mr. Asneo,
V Borg, my lordship.
B. Borgohan. Also appearing for the petition. And Mr. Z. Such it not filed.
Such a not
Not
filed.
filed, Lordship.
Okay. Let's go.
1211.
Hmm.
1211.
For the case by the party. Similar police station case number 20/2. As this bail application has arisen after Foxway. Petitioner shall furnish a copy of this bail application. To the relevant budget of Secretary Assembly. 247. Not valid is to do, attending necessary acknowledging that to the thereafter to idea.
Mangal Singh was not.
On the next day, fix, I will be
No, mine, regular mine.
the officer in charge of Simulukuri police station, including
The civic. 57.
officer in charge of the public prosecutor, shall apprise the report. About the status of service of notice on the informant. Informant is number 2 of Simulukuri police case number. Correct.
Masulaj.
May I please, your lordship, yes. Lordship, the petitioner number 1 and 2 is a driver and handyman of a truck, and which truck has been apprehended carrying some PDS rice. Although lordship, it is suspected, we have all the documents regarding that rice. 20 days they are behind the bar, and petitioner number 3, he is the relative of the owner of the rice, lordship. He has nothing to do with this case. Totally, he is stranger in this case, lordship. This is the case.
Sansari.
Sanctuary PS, lordship.
Can it be on 8th, Lordship?
Okay. 8. Oblige, my lord.
No representation on behalf of the petition. Placed on foot. Do names of 3 councils have been given.
3 whole good. Just now. Yeah.
May I please, your lordship? I can feel it.
Very well.
I'm here.
So,
Lordship, this has stated matter, lordship, the petition has been custodied since 1 year, 9 months and 16 days. Lordship.
Scan copy will be required, Lordship. 21 CM, please.
hard such and such for a day of month for the petition. Call for this and lay a copy of the also. NDPS case number 30/2023. Arising out of Caribbean wrong. Just a moment. Bilai police station case number 02/2023. Corresponding to 0702/2023. Allow the copy of the case diary pertaining to Bilai police case number such and such. Up to date eligible scan copy of records of for NDPS case number from report of learned. Additional session judge FTC. Indicate NDPS. Caribbean wrong before.
On 14, Lordship.
Yes, on 14th.
Hello, Lordship.
For the petition.
Notice na go, lesson number 2.
Same, also, same model, Lahori Ghat.
Notice be sat through OC, my lord. OC Lahirgat PS.
On 11 city.
11 or 12?
12 Lordship, 12.
Not legal lordship. It is a lordship, though it has been registered under B lordship, it will come, it will be A lordship after the inventory lordship. The quantity was 2.30 gram lordship. So I pray for a short date lordship, and moreover, he is a HIV patient lordship.
On 5th Lordship.
Much obliged, your lordship.
May I please your lordship? FIR is 11 lordship. Entire allegation is against one Soebur Rahman lordship. Rupuya Nagaon.
Nagaon Lordship, can it be on 11?
Right on 8.
8th Lordship.
Just a minute. Let us see the date. Okay, on 11.
Lordship.
My lord, died. Can it be on my lord, 6, my lord, if possible, my lord? Because otherwise, my lord, I am the owner of that product, my lord. I have license also.
After 11.
7.
On 7 Lordship.
If you can get it well. It's 7.
7.
Lordship, 7th.
I am obliged.
Golpura page. No.
Main lordship, 21C lordship, the quantity lordship are 269.95 heroin lordship. So behind them are since last 84 days lordship. So whatever here in this case lordship, in the FIR copy, my name has not been reflected lordship. And the subsequently following report lordship in regarding this matrimonial contradictory lordship. So my wife herself is a relative of the two accused person lordship. They have the allegation is absolutely false allegation lordship. Behind the bar 84 days lordship.
On 12 Lordship.
Short date can fix. The false allegation absolute lordship.
21C NTPS.
21C lordship. Commercial is at 250 gram lordship. 15 number page lordship.
12.
Okay.
Mass of lordship.
May I plead your doctor? 483 application, my lord. Allegation is that some cartons of Arunachal wine, my lord, other roads, my lord, have been recovered from my court. I was sleeping, police came and knocked my door and asked me where from you have come. It was found in the courtyard of my house, my lord. It is an open space, my lord. My lord, from Helem, my lord, and it is the only national highway this way, Helem and Balijan, Arunachal Pradesh. Some Arunachal wine, the whiskey bottles were brought to celebrate the Diwali, my lord.
12 Lordship.
Will be
My lord, please little earlier, my lord. On 5th possible, my lord. If you-
You can try on 8th Lordship at the last.
We will miss the Diwali, my lord, no doubt. Kindly.
8 or 11 Lordship.
All of our good kindly. Hello, my lord.
on 8.
Lordship.
Oblige, my lord. Oblige. my lord.
Lordship 482 application. Already in this case, Lordship, in connection with Siemens of PS case, CD was called for. OX is also filed a bail petition.
My lord, instruction was short for my lord, but today not received, my lord. Because my lord, yesterday was the ADR examination, my lord. So my lord, today, my lord, that. During custody since when?
18/9. Today 40 days, Lordship.
Tomorrow. My lord, day after tomorrow, my lord. Day after. Day after. My lord. That, what is that case number? Because.
That case number, my lord, 47.
47, item number 4.
My lord, item number 47, my lord. Today, supply list.
130/11, 13/10.
My-
Oblige.
my- Make please allow that. My lord, this is an application for bail, my lord. The petitioner was arrested on 5th of March 24. Now, my lord, we are seeking bail, my lord, the ground on which we are seeking bail. Perhaps the question of CD will not arise. If your lordship would kindly come to the charge sheet which has been filed in this case, which is at page number 39. And if your lordship would kindly come to page 50. No, page. Is a heavy
Page 59.
Sorry, my lord, page 59. Para 47. Para 47 at page 59. That the chemical examination report of the instant case is not yet received from the FSL Shillong till date. So charge sheet has been filed within 180 days, but my lord, FSL report is not there. Now the Supreme Court has said, my lord, if your lordship will kindly come to page 75. Page 75. May I read it, my lord? Page 75, if your lordship will kindly have.
Yes, Sarsi doesn't file. Do you have the FSL report till date on?
No. Well, nothing has been recovered from me. They merely based on the statement of an co-accused, which is not even admissible in evidence.
Your lordship, the earlier bail rejection has been rejected by Honorable Mrs. Justice Malasi Nandi in bail application number 1025/24.
That is before the appropriate bench.
Paper charge sheet. Paper charge sheet.
That was before charge sheet, my lord.
Even then, ma'am is available. Let it, since the sister is available, let it before the appropriate. Because that the.
Sorry, lord. No, we thought, my lord, since it was.
No.
And normally it is for the office to.
True. Since, where is that order? Do you have-
No, lordship, I have the bail application number. 10.
That is a fact, my lord. We have made that statement also. Let it be day after tomorrow. Today I'm slightly tied up.
No, it will come today also. 1027 of 24.
1025/24.
Today why is it there?
1025
/24.
BA.
BA.
No record.
Lordship, order dated 6/6/2024.
What's your good name?
K. Jain.
What, Mr. K. N. Chudri, Senior Counsel. Assisted by Mr. Assistant Counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. K. Jain, understanding counsel NCB for the sole respondent. Petitioner is seeking bail, namely Friday, in NDPS case number 300/2024 arising out of NCB client number 02/2024, which is presently pending before the Honorable Learned Session Judge, the Learned Session will indicate special packet to Judge NDPS Kamrup Metro Court. Mr. Jain, Mr. Chaudhary, Director Senior Counsel, as well as Mr. Jain, and Standing Counsel LCB. Brought it to the notice of the court that bail application number 1025/2024 earlier preferred by the petitioner earlier in the same already. NCB crime number 02/2024 was rejected by a lordship authority, hardly MS already, Madam Nandi. Order dated 06/06/2024. In bill application number 1025/2024. Order to ATM regularly in in view of the registry cell, list this matter before the appropriate plans.
Much obliged.
Lordship.
Are we fixed, the matter is fixed on third lordship, third, no? 30 lordship.
Day after tomorrow, along with item number 46, I think so.
11 item number motion matter.
No, 11 is the motion. This is also motion. Give it in 46. 47 or 46. I think 47. 47. On 30th, 30.
Obligation.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, in this case, FR at page 15, it is a complaint case. Subsequently, it was directed to the Learned CGM. Learned, my lord, court has directed to the OC of Sarguk PS to register a case. Can you find at page 15? Type copy this is, my lord.
Arrested when?
My lord, it is a
Anticipatory bill.
anticipatory bill.
Just killing.
POCSO section is there, and in this case, my lord, total.
Just counsel appearing for the petition and such and such. And this matter has already not of such and such. Pertaining to Sarguk Police Station case number
Sarguk PS case.
80/2024. Petition is also right. From Sarguk,
11 lordship, 11. Lordship, my learned friend is appearing on behalf of the informant.
I am on behalf of the opposite party.
already you have filed your.
We have filed color no matter.
Make it in the call for direction as Mr. Secretary, Learned Counsel has entered the picture. For the informant, complainant. Response number 2. 12.
Lordship.
My lord, in this case, can you find that all the 5 accused are there? 4 accused has already been granted bail by the session.
You consider.
Well, of course.
May please your lordships. My lord, this petitioner has approached before honorable court against the proceeding is at page 30 lordships. Lordships, a proceeding started before the learned court 9th judicial magistrate at Calcutta lordships. Lordships, the factual position is this. This petitioner was engaged as sales executive in 2003, Abutani Mercantile Private Limited Lordships. When he was engaged there, Lordships, at that time, he insisted for issuance of engagement letter. And Lordship, this private limited, they have refused to issue the same. Then Lordship, thereafter, he left the job, Lordships. Now presently, he is an astrologer, and by that Lordships, he is maintaining his livelihood. Lordships, subsequently Lordships, thereafter Lordships, he got notices from the IndusInd Bank Lordship, this respondent authority Lordships. And accordingly, Lordship, it was replied Lordships. And also one time he was directed to appear before the conciliator. There also he appeared, Lordships. And Lordships, now this respondent.
Okay. Heard Mr. R. Sharma, counsel appearing for the petition. Agree with the pre-cognizance notice dated 05/10/2024. Issued by the 9th Judicial Magistrate, Calcutta. Learned 9th Judicial Magistrate. In case number CS/160519/24. Within bracket. IndusInd Bank versus Apurva Gogoi and another. IndusInd Bank complaint versus Apurva Gogoi and suspects. The petitioner has filed this. Writ petition criminal. Issue notice to the respondents. Where is the complaint?
Lordships, IndusInd Bank Lordships.
Where is the complaint?
Complaint. Lordships, only this information I got, Lordship. Page 30, Lordships, and except 5. Except this, nothing I got, Lordships.
Definitely, there was an agreement between you and the IndusInd Bank. You have taken loan from that particular bank.
Lordship, I have not taken any loan, Lordship. I have not taken any loan, and also I was not the guarantor of that particular vehicle, Lordships.
You are the co-borrower.
Lordship, I was engaged as sales executive for a few days, Lordship. I insisted for the issuance of engagement letter, Lordships. As they have not issued, I have left the job, Lordships. Page 28, Lordships, vehicle number is there, and Lordships, my name is not there, Lordship. Page 28.
Issue notice. Returnable by. $21.11. Subject to taking steps on the respondents. Number 1 to 5. Register pository already by tomorrow. Provided this is postal state, subject to taking some steps. Harder will later. The petitioner is also directed to take steps on the response number 2 and 3. In addition to the above letter. By the stable personal service to be routed to the registered place. Obtaining necessary acknowledgement from this, which they'll see. Date and seal, in presence of one or more witnesses, thereafter petitioner shall file an appeal. But service and notice the response numbers 2 and 3. Subject to taking steps on the respondents directly. What happened on 21st of September 2024? Mr. Sharma,
Lordships,
what happened on 21st?
Lordships, that this notice was issued, Lordship, date was fixed on 5/10, Lordships. 5/10, Lordships.
What happened on 5/10?
5/10, Lordships, I received a letter on 3/10, Lordships. And Lordships, as the judicial proceeding is at Calcutta, Lordships, then Lordships, I have approached before the learned counsel, and accordingly this case is filed, Lordships, before the honorable court, challenging the proceedings, Lordships. Because Lordship, this IndusInd Bank zonal office is at Calcutta, and Lordship, this branch is at Guwahati, Lordships.
Interim prayer of the petitioner shall be considered on the returnable date. Subject to Nanakari. Further. Maintainability of this petition shall also be considered at its admission stage. List accordingly.
Lordships, interim order may please be passed, Lordships, on the next day. Thank you, please.
No representation on behalf of the petitioners. on-
Scan copy receipt.
The name of. The councils have been declared in default list. List on fifth. Hard Mr. C. Sharma addition. List on.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, the petitioner before lordship is in the custody for 90 days. Today, my lord, the investment period is over, my lord. The FIR lordship will find at page 9. Allegation, my lord, that his daughter, informant's daughter was eloped 1.5 years back, and she is 17 years plus, subsequently married. Only his fault is that he went to Kerala leaving behind Vivek, and after returning his net query about the money he has sent. That was the fault, and father lost the case. My lord.
Yes, what information you have?
My lord, 164 recorded.
But he was taken into custody when?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. On 31st July, he was arrested, my lord, forwarded. My lord, at page 12, my lord, the forwarding report dated 31st July 2024. Today is 90 days, my lord. Date of birth is, my lord, 24/2/2007. 24/2/7.
He was arrested on 31st of
July. My lord. Yes, my lord.
Do one thing. Let us know at 2 o'clock or
Right.
before rising from Buragaon Police Station.
At 2.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner and Paul. No name of 6 councils have been reflected in the context. What's your good name?
N Kakoti.
United Council for the respondent and city. List on 6th.
Place lordship.
Please. You on my lord, we have not received the case diary. Case diary not received, my lord. This from Amaru, Azul. Case diary. No.
Today is how many days?
93 days lordship.
Mr.
My lord,
Sharma,
my lord, can
this
you,
is from Haju.
you can get to my lord, I. Lordship search it was not.
Lordship, possible for a timing, lordship. Timing.
Just. Yes, Mr. Sharma, you are appearing in this matter.
Yeah, yes, madam.
Have you gone through the records?
No, no, my lord.
One of you go through the record.
Yes, madam.
We'll take up day after tomorrow. We'll have it day after tomorrow. Go through the records.
My lord, day after.
Mr. Sharma, additional public prosecutor, is allowed to go to the records. Scan copy of the scan copy of the records. List on 30th. Miss Rika, do one thing. This is probably get the information.
Yes, Lordship.
This is from Boko.
Lordship.
Was arrested on 29/8.
Lordship.
So 29/8 means August. 3 days.
Lordship.
September 30. Today is 61 days.
Lordship.
Whether any search sheet has been filed or not,
Lordship.
we'll have it at 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, Lordship.
Get the information.
Yes.
এই টু এই দুটা বোঝা দেখালাম।
Second hand. 17. Report of service. Yes. Regarding what?
It's one announcement, letter, what I said,
So instruction was sought for Lordship, whether any case is registered or not. To that regard, we do not have any instruction till date, Lordship. So we'll take it, Lordship. Lordship will fix it if any need, Lordship. It's from Panbajat PS, Lordship.
Heard Mr. V. Borgiari. Z. Borgoyari, counsel for the petitioner. IMS. The regard and reason of the prosecutor operating for the state opposite party, sole opposite party. The SCP within bracket Omen unit, bracket close, Panbuja Police Commissionerate, Guwahati. On 18/05/2024. Issued a notice to the petitioner. Asking him to appear before the said authority on 28/05/2024 at 11 AM from recording of his statement in connection with a complaint lodged by his wife Mousumi Das, MOUSSUMI, not SH. The court by order dated 27/05/2024. By the order dated 27/05/2024. In the interim, dispense with the appearance of the petitioner in terms of said notice dated 18/05/2024 of the SCP Women Unit Fund Budget. SCP within bracket Women Unit Fund Budget, Police Commissionerate Guwahati. By order dated 24/06/2024. The court called for a report from the officer in charge of All Women Police Station Fund Budget as to whether any case is pending before the pending against the petitioner or not. Fixing the matter on 26/06/2024. About the interim order to officer, still in force. However, in spite of listing of this matter on 26/06/2024, 30/07/2024, 12/8/2024, 11/9/0024, the officer in charge of All Women Police Station Fund Budget / authority concerned did not furnish any information to the public prosecutor Assam. Even today, Massachusetts and Direction Public Prosecutor prayed for time for such information pursuant to the order of the court dated 24/06/2024. Failure on the part of the ACP within bracket Women Unit, Fund Budget, Police Commissioner Guwahati, as well as the officer in charge of All Women Police Station Fund Budget, Guwahati, to furnish any such report that was called for by the court on 24 by order dated 24/06/2024. On the next date fixed, 30/10/2024. The said authority has to personally remain present before this court at 10:30. List on 30th. Interim order post audience and till and 8:30.
Indicated, is it?
Day after tomorrow, ma'am.
Lordship, otherwise lordship. So lordship, can we take the instruction at 2 PM, lordship?
Get the written instruction from June 24th, it cannot be possible. Must
Lordship,
have the
lordship.
written instruction.
On 30th. A copy of the order may be furnished to us, lordship.
We will not provide this order because it's an order of 24/6.
Lordship.
Yes, do you have the case diary?
18 lordship, we do not have the case diary.
This was called for on 28th of May
Yes, Lordship, we have sent our requisition last year on 23/09/2024, Lordship. It was the last chance, Lordship.
By order digit 28052024, the court called for the relevant case diary pertaining to North Lakhimpur Police Station case number 114/2024. It was submitted by an additional public prosecutor. Till date, the same has not been furnished by the concerned investigating officer of the case. List on 11/11/2024. For the 11 case diary failing which the investigating officer of North Lakhimpur Police case number 114/2024 has to personally remain in the police court.
Of my.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, the matter is listed for the acquisition of updated CD.
Lordship, same prayer, Lordship, we do not have to receive the case diary. Lordship, I fix a short date, Lordship, it's Kamrup Metro, Gitanagar, please.
List on 8 for up-to-date case diary on Gitanagar PS case number 115/2024. Pursuant to the order of the court dated 09/08/2024. Failing which the concerned investigating officer of such and such as to proceed within present before the court. The interim bail. Petitioner shall remain on interim bail granted to him earlier. No, petitioner number 2. Not 1. Shall remain on interim bail granted to her earlier.
Your Honor.
In said Gitanagar PS case number 115/2024. On 25. Zero 6. 2024. And the petitioner shall remain in interim bail granted to him earlier on 17/7/2024. Pursuant to the orders dated 26 and dated 7. Petition number 2 and 1 respectively shall remain in interim bail. Gitanagar PS till the next date.
Your Lordship, a slight correction. Your petitioner number 2 has been, the bail has been made absolute by order dated 17/7/2024. Petitioner number 1 is on interim.
17.
Number?
8. Deeply grateful.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, 21 and 22 arising out of same FIR, Lordship. Dispute yes case, Lordship. CD was called for
21.
21 and 23.
Both the matters, Lordship, series are not available.
Yes, Lordship, we are appearing before the IO, Lordship.
Update CD was called for that we have not received.
Twenty-one and 24.
21 and 22,
22,
Lordship.
Lordship.
22.
Yes. International.
By order the 06092024. The court call for the up-to-date case that is pertaining to dispute yes case number. 538/2024. The petitioners are on interim day. The said dispute yes case since 18/06/2024. On instruction from Satyaka additional that till date. Concerned investigating officer of dispute PS case number such as has not provided. Does not serve. Not provided with the up-to-date case query of dispute PS case number 38/2024 to place it before the. In view of the above, the investigating officer of dispute PS case number such and such shall personally remain present before this court on 8/11/2024. Terracotta sentence, failure on his part to place the up-to-date case date. On the on 08/11/2024, he shall personally remain before this court. Till then, the petitioners shall remain on interim bail and said this previous case are granted to them earlier on in 6/20. Same. List along with AB 1592/2024 on 8/11. Till then, the petitioner shall remain on interim bail granted to her earlier on 21/06/2024. Yeah, I got a copy of this.
Wait, please, Lord.
Makona Madhura Raja. 27.
Yes, who is appearing?
Order number 24. Wait, please, Lord. Because in this case, I am led by learned senior consumer CP Sharma, Lord. Madam, may kindly pass over for the time being, Lord.
To connection to BC
Yes, Lord.
as a last item.
Lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, CD not received, but lordship, I have received instruction from the IO. The charge sheet has been filed, lordship.
Do you have the date and number?
Charge sheet number is 165/24 on 31.
Just a minute. 165
Yes, lordship.
on which date?
On 31st, 2024.
You are Miss,
As does.
Learned counsel for the petition. And MS. Yeah, critical and a decision for the prosecutor. Waiting for this. Responding, state. Sole opposite party. By this application under section 482 BNSS 2023, the petitioner, namely Diganto Busso, son of Hare Krishna Busso, resident of Village Dolakal, the Mukalma police station, district Nalbari, has prayed for. Has frequently. Suspecting his arrest, Mukalma police station, case number 168 of 2024 under section 325. Public 307 of 75 of the Juvenile Justice Related Care and Protection of Bracket Close, of Children Bracket Close Act, has prayed for his pre-arrest bail. Claiming the explanation has brought the arrest. The court, by order dated 11/07/2024. Juvenile Justice Settlement Act of 2015. I call for the case there. Granted interim bail to the petitioner. Inside Mukalma PS case number 168 of 2023. On 30/07/2024. 12/09/2024. And 13/09/2024. The matter was listed earlier. And the concerned investigating officer failed to place the relevant case diary before the court to the public prosecutor. As some matter was listed today. During the deliberation of the matter, Ms. Das learned counsel for the petitioner placed before the court. In that. The concerned investigating officer of Mukalma police station case number 160 of 2034 has already submitted the search after completion of the investigation has already submitted the search sheet in their case on 13/1/07/2024 white search sheet number 165 of 2024. Mr. Fukan, please come this side. Hey, how the authorities concerned did not consider it? You are the public prosecutor. of the state.
My lord.
Here is a case in interim bail was granted to the petitioner
My lord.
pertaining to Mukalma police station case number 168 of 2024 on 11/7.
My lord.
Interim bail was granted. Case diary was called for. Today is the fourth occasion which the case diary was called for and the accordingly matter was listed.
My lord, the case that
We did not receive any information,
My lord, yes.
but it is the petitioner who is submitting before the court that search sheet in the case was filed on 31st of July.
My lord.
Up to you.
My lord, yes. I'll
You don't know.
I'll definitely
You
query on
do
that.
not have the information.
I'm
You have not been,
reported,
you
yeah.
have do not been, on 30th of July, you have not been provided the information.
My-
12/9/2024, you have not been provided the information. 30th of September 2024, you have not been provided any information. Even today, you have not been provided any.
Last time case.
Last time.
No, my.
Last date was 30th of July, 30th of September. say on 3 occasions, the matter was earlier listed for the case diary.
My lord. So my lord,
Whether the
definitely,
superintendent of police concerned and the concern officer in charge of police station or the IO did not provide any with them. So
My
for
lord.
such reason, the matter has been listed for 4 occasions for no reasons.
my lord. I
Because
understood.
on 31st of July, it was already circular filed.
I'll query on that, my lord.
We don't know what our queries will do. You
My
have
lord.
not been considered at all by the authorities.
So in meantime,
we
my
have
lord,
been-
why they have not complied
Mr.
with my,
Fukan, remember, we have been appointed by the High Court.
my lord, yes.
You do
Understood,
not exercise your power to that extent.
my lord. No,
You
generally
will-
what
you will
happened,
be
my lord,
Merely a rubber stamp only, mind that.
Hmm.
You know, you should know how to exercise your power.
my lord, yes.
You are not that powerless.
My lord, I understood. I definitely do, my lord.
I'm very sorry, state of affairs. If you cannot have that kind of things, it will be difficult for you. Lekha. In view of the petitioner is directed to appear before the appropriate forum or appropriate authority for his regular bail on or before 14/11/2024. The interim order passed earlier on 11/07/2024 in said Mukalma PS case number 168/2024. Corresponding to GR number 559/2024 is now extended only up to such and such, enabling the petitioner to obtain his regular bail as directed. With the above observation, this previous bail application stands closed. Yes, next. Can you?
Please, Your Lordship, I am praying for adjournment only for that day, Your Lordship. Mr. D. Hussain has a personal disability, Your Lordship.
Case that is received, your lord.
Fifth,
Obliged.
and if you have the counsel for the case
Much
that
obliged.
shall be retained.
Wait, please. Lordship, item number 28, 29, 30 are similar, as they are the same affair. Lordship may take up 29 first.
You have the case there is.
By the, case diary not received.
Say, Mr. Fukan, this is from Dispur Police Station. And the interim is in force since 25th of July. And you do not have the case diary from Dispur. This item 28, 29.
And 30.
28, 29 and 30, my lord. Sir, fix it to my lord in meantime.
No, you give us the information, but thing is this, how come? Why the IO failed to give you the case diary from 25th of July? The 25th of July, the matter was fixed on 19th of August.
So 28 of seats transferred.
The interim order, the order of the court was
My lord,
25th of July. Can you imagine?
Even here.
Yes, but the relation of case diary.
My lord, two reports we have received from the, my lord, the Dispur Police, my lord. That one report which is on 17/9/2024. They have stated, my lord, I have to honor to report before the so and so, so and so. It is to be noted, the Honorable Guwahati High Court were given 3 accused of the case that they were cooperating with the investigations. And yes, really could be.
Why they are
Yes,
saying-
my lord, ended in CS, by the, it was CS, my lord, on 38/2024, charge sheet. This is the report, my lord.
When did you get?
My lord, on 38/2024, my lord. Even did it.
Then why it was not placed before the court earlier?
My lord, it is report, sir. এখন মোৰ হয় মোক বুজি নাপাব লাগে মোৰ এতিয়া 14 মেথড থাকিব
আপুনি কালে যাব
এখন ন
Your Lordship, as I mentioned, A Barbujari.
আইটেম নম্বৰ
38 Borpujari Council 70190520.
আইটেম নম্বৰ কিমান
এইটো 30 এইটো 28
লিখি থব লাগে ন এটা CS বুলি এইবোৰ লিখি থব লাগে এটা CS বুলি
By this application under section 482 BNSS 2023 petitioner.
বিশ্বজিৎ মুদৈ এটা আছে
Nimiras Bora, son of Tilok Chandra Bora, resident of
এইটো কি মানে
Fulguri district, Nagaon, Assam, apprehended in Paris
1906
1907 দুইটাৰ এক লগতে আছে
in dispute case number 701 of
050607
under section 126 within bracket 2 oblique 324 oblique bracket 3 oblique 115 within bracket 2 oblique 117 within bracket 2 oblique 304 within bracket 2 oblique 3 within bracket 5 of the BNS Act 2023
এটা 30 to 33
preferred this pre-arrest bail.
তো petition হয়
Report by order dated 25/07/2024 granted interim bail to the petitioner. Inside this case number
29
or 30
701/2024. The investigating officer of dispute case number 702024 by communication with the 1709/2024 submitted that the petitioner on obtaining interim
ৰাতিপুৱা এই ভালকে সব চিজি লগাই লগাই
cooperated in investigation of the case and that on completion of the investigation of the case it submitted search sheet inside dispute case number such and such by the search sheet number 588 on 30/08/2024. In view of the above, petitioner is directed to appear before the appropriate forum on or before 14th. Obtain his regular bail. Inside dispute case number such and such corresponding to GR number 4023/2024. The interim bail granted to the petitioner earlier on 25/07/2024 inside dispute case number is extended only up to such and such for his as directed above. Accordingly stands disposed of. Same order, petitioner number 2, so vacate over. Collect petitioner number 2, Ovidev Raspa, son of Lepati Raspa, resident of house number 1147, Dr. Zakir Hussain, dispute Guwahati. Interim bail. Dated 25/07. No, this is different dispute case.
My lord, date 28, 29 and 30, my lord. Then all three cases, my lord, was searched, my lord. This is one another, my lord, letter, which I have received, my lord. Dispute PS case number 588, my lord.
No, this is dispute PS 701.
This is for 701
This is for 701, my lord. Ekon 7.
Section number 2 ভুল।
Ekon. Ito ekit আছে মানে।
This is 588. Where is 701?
This is for PS.
This doesn't have inside, it is user C.
My lord, here, the reference case number was given, my lord, in the above.
Wrongly typed. Inside is 588.
Inside. Inside it shows, my lord, 588, my lord.
Definitely.
And the
that's what
above
I'm
it's,
asking.
yes, my lord, above it shows, my lord,
Might
701.
be, but this is not the same police station case.
My lord, yes.
So. Continue.
My lord, at 2 PM, my lord, in meantime, take instructions, my lord.
No, what we'll do is fix it on sixth.
Sixth.
Provided you interview feeling which.
Without delaying,
These are the things, don't make your submission on the basis of this kind of information, Mr. Pope.
my lord.
Otherwise,
701.
same order. Process not carried for prayer. They're in interim bail. They are under part of the concerned investigating officer of district police and such and such. For the up-to-date case diary. On the next date fixed, he shall have to personally remain present before this court. At 8:30 a.m. List on 6, 11. The petitioner shall live in an interim bill granted to him earlier on 25/07/2024 in same district case number 701/2025. Okay. List the 29 or 30 list along with AB 1905 correct.
Much obliged.
Mr.
My lord,
Tell us at 2 o'clock.
my lord,
Otherwise, he has to be here tomorrow.
my lord,
This order was of the court.
my lord.
Technically. Person to be ordered at 05082024. The officer in charge of Dispur police station shall apprise the court as to whether any case has been registered, criminal case has been registered against the petitioner in the said police station on the basis of the written azhar lost by his wife, Mrs. Dipali Yaka, EAKA, failing which he has to personally be before this court, presently present before at 10:30 AM. But this is, we are not giving any orders.
My lord,
Copy of the orders, you have to communicate.
my lord.
Sunday. About what's the combination? 11, 611.
May I please your lordship, my lord, this
Yes,
is
tell us.
the FIR is at page 12.
My lord, one submission, my lord. My lord, this matter was looked after by Mr. Sharma, my lord. Is on another election, maybe matter, maybe time be CD received, my lord.
CD received.
CD received, my lord. CD received.
After some time, Mr. Bro.
Yes,
My lord.
obliged.
Yes.
My lord, CS submitted in this matter, my lord.
Actually, we had appeared before the IO, our statement has been recorded.
Yes, CS on his CS number.
My lord, 99/2024. Dated 38/2024.
Have you read this? It's just like the previous case, this previous case.
My lord, this
It's
one
very
is
specific.
PS case number 101/2024, my lord.
It is inside there.
My lord,
You tell us, you did not have to say.
my lord.
Earlier you have seen what was there.
My lord, this is Gwalpara PS case number 101/24, my lord.
Don't see only the reference, see also inside.
Yes, my lord, regarding the submission of the original case, the area of Gwalpara PS case number 101/2024 under section 329(3)1181(1).
Additional namely-
My lord.
Apprehending or arrest in Golpura Police Station case number 101/2024 under section 32 within bracket 3/118 within bracket 1/296 of the BNS. Petitioner namely such and such, wife of such and such, resident of such and such under Golpura Police Station filed this bail application under section 482 BNSS 2023 for her pre-arrest bail in said Golpura PS case number 6 and 6. The court by order dated 12/08/2024 granted interim bail to the petitioner namely both and said such and such Golpura PS. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Such and such of the prosecutor on instructions submitted in the police on completion of the investigation of the case. When did you appear before the IO?
Yet I have to take instruction, but I have appeared and statement has been recorded.
That again. Subject charge sheet completion of the inside Golpura case number file charge sheet number 99/204 dated 30/08/2024. In view of the petitioner is directed that appear before the appropriate forum on or before 14/11 for her regular bail inside Golpura Police Station case number such and such. Corresponding to GR number 747/2022. Enabling her to attend the regular bail in such and such.
Highly placement.
Yes.
Lordship, FAir, Lordship, page number 7, Lordship, 9, Lordship.
Yes, Ms. Rajika, do you have the case diary?
Lordship, yes, Lordship, it is.
Tell us whether the custodial grandson the petitioner is.
Lordship, he's the owner of the vehicle, Lordship. And his statement, after getting interim protection, his statement is recorded, Lordship. And I would have given a note there, Lordship, Nazrul Islam, the present petitioner. Nothing has been found, nothing incriminating evidence has been found against him. And he's the owner of the seized vehicle.
Whether the vehicle has been, Zimma of the vehicle has been already handed over to him.
Lordship, he has shown the documents to IO and then.
It's okay. Yes, it is. Some order apprehending his arrest. What's your good name?
SSC, Lordship.
For the petition. And I'm. For this bail application. Well, this bail application in section 482 BNSS. Bosista PS case number 543/2024. Under section 303 within bracket 2 of the BNS. Reduced section 11 within bracket 1 within bracket D of the Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Life. Reduced section 13 within bracket 1 bracket 16 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2002. It is submitted by order dated 0209/2024. First earlier in this proceeding. The court granted interim bail to the petitioner inside Vasishtha PS case number 543/2024. Pursuant to which he appeared before the concerned investigating officer of the case. Where his statement was recorded
His statement recorded, Lordship.
and his statement was recorded by the said Ayub. From the case diary, Ms. Azarikal, an additional prosecutor appearing for the state submitted that the note of the IO indicates that no such incriminating materials have been found against the petitioner. The respondent is an opposite party to it. During investigation of the case, who is the owner of the vehicle in which the seized cattle are recovered, and he was not driving the said seized vehicle involved in the case. Case diary of such and such clearly indicates that custodial detention of the petitioner is not warranted for investigation of such and such. Accordingly, this prayer as well application of the petition. Comply with the terms and conditions specified in the order it is 02930. Father shall not be without prior information. Not the condition that the condition of the order of sale, Bakibul prior. The condition will be as a Bakibul side of Bakibul prior. With the evaluation, this prayer is well.
38, Lordship. Case diary is available, but my learned friend has, B. Sharma was supposed to appear. He's on lakes in some other court actually.
After some time, Lordship.
Just a minute. Okay. After some time.
Organized, Lordship.
May it please the Lordship.
CD was supposed to come, Lordship, that we have not received, Lordship, along with the status report. It's from Golaghat PS, Lordship.
My lord, we went to police station twice, my lord. One, 8/9/2024. The OC who was in charge, he was suspended because of the Shumi Bora's case. Now, next, my lord, we went to SP. Now, SP told us that you come after some days. Then also we were none has taken any action.
Heard Mr. S. Duttal and senior counsel. Assisted by MS S. Musari, counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also heard MS. The legal and additional public prosecutor appearing for state. Going to respondent. While granting interim bail to the petitioner on 03092024. We could call for the relevant case diary pertaining to Golaghat PS case number 562/2021. Which is yet to be received by the concerned public prosecutor. List on 13/11/2024.
3011, Lordship. Advised.
For the up-to-date case diary of said Golaghat PS case number such and such. Failing which the concerned investigating officer of the case has to personally remain present before this court at 10:30 AM. Till then, the petitioner shall remain on interim bail in Golaghat PS case number such and such. Granted to him earlier on 03092024. Further, it is directed that the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer of such and such. Terracotta Extension Super. Since it is submitted by Mr. Dr. Lanet Senior Counsel, that the concern eye of the case is yet to record the statement of the petitioner, though he appeared before the said authority on 2 occasions. The petitioner is directed to appear before the concerned investigating officer of said Golaghat PS case number 562/2021 on or before 05/11/2024 for recording to his statement pursuant to the earlier order dated or I did 030920. Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, this is 482 petition, my lord.
Do you have the case diary?
My
Tell
lord,
us. Mr. Fukun, what is the crime if you keep some fake gold?
Well,
If you keep some fake gold, what is the crime? It will be a crime when you are selling some fake gold pretending to be original, right? But if you keep some fake gold and not involved in selling it, something like that, what is the crime? We keep fake Taj Mahal, fake Charminas.
Yes.
Just tell us only for clarification, we want to know.
During investigation, it revealed by the where he had kept this kind of fake gold. Either he is for selling or.
No, that is only when somebody complains, right? That he has sold me this as the real gold. And on the basis of this thing, I have purchased it. Otherwise, where is the crime? So many females are wearing fake golds, knowing it to be an original one, right?
Lordship is very much
Instead of that stealing of somebody, snatching of the gold chain, everything. So what is the crime? Unless that cheating is there, what is the crime?
Your Lordship is correct.
There has to be something, right? That's why I was wondering. We have been searching, we have been putting people in jail having of such gold. Yes, it will be a crime when somebody cheated. But when you are having something.
Right, my lord. Your Lordship has been very much correct. If he is keeping some fake gold, my lord, there is no crime. If he is using for his, my lord, the selling.
Some illegal gain
Yes,
from
then-
those
then-
fake gold. That's
Then only, my lord,
definitely.
the offense will be, my lord.
Yes, what is there in the case there?
Yes.
Let him say, Mr. Fukun. Just you are here, that's why you are asking.
My
Yes, he has gone through the case there. Yes, what are they, why do you need him for his custodial detention? Tell us.
My lord, here they have this particular, my lord, that part, my lord, the same.
Any material that it has been sold to, or it has been, he has engaged a customer, he is about to deliver it, that fake gold, any materials in the case to that extent?
That part is not clear, my lord. Otherwise, it can for episode, my lord.
Heard. MSSG Burwell and counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. Sassen's additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Apprehending his arrest in the police station case number 121/2024 under section 112/61 within bracket 2/318 within bracket 4/316 within bracket 2 of the BNS. The petitioner namely such and such have filed this bill application under section 482 BNSS 2023 for his various bail in Said Lalo PS case corresponding to GR case number 563/202. As for the affair of the case, dated 04/08/2024, lost by one of the sub-inspector of Lalo Police Station, in that on special information, specific information, they could come to know that the petitioner was in the business of LA's business of selling fake gold. Is that liquor in the trade of business liquor, in the trade of the business of fake gold, and thereby cheated many such customers. On getting specific information that petitioner is keeping fake gold in his house, DD entry number 100 dated 03/08/2024 was made in the Laluk police station, and with due authorization, police personnel asked for the petitioner in his house, who was found absent. While his house was searched following the due procedure, a boat shaped alleged gold boat was recovered from his house, which was accordingly seized. As such, said Laluk case number such and such was registered against the petitioner. Yes, tell us in the case date.
My lord, it is on the statement of the complainant, my lord.
Hmm.
That part is there. What is the-
Complaint is an SI.
A complainant is an.
Then
Other than that, my lord, that is the seizure which is dated regarding that part of it. The seizure part. my lord.
okay. From the case day, Mr. Sassan has an additional public prosecutor submitted that it doesn't contain any such statement of the acquainted witnesses accepting the seizure witness that the petitioners was involved in the alleged selling of fake gold, nor police received any such complaint from purchasers of such fake gold artifact from the petitioner. considering the above providing. As custodial detention of the warrant is not warranted for investigation of such and such. 50,000 to local security shall appear before the investigating officer of such and such for review.
Much obliged, my lord. I yield.
Honor before. Fifth. Condition that I declare.
My lord, fifth. Obliged, my lord.
Indeed.
34.
May please your lordship. My lord, this is an application under 482 of BNSS. My lord, the FIR is at page 12, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
My lord, 164 and 161, my lord. They have some relation, but my lord, are images, my lord, for the medical report, my lord. Between 16 and 17.
Just for some because demand.
Yes, the 160, 164. Huh? Let's see,
Take your seat. Is it true? I can't disagree. Heard Mr. D.P. Bora, counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Apprehending his arrest. Petitioner namely Amdar Hussain, son of Bilal Hussain, resident of such and such. The police station, Jomunam district, Ojai. Has filed this application under section 482 BNSS. Praying for his pre-arrest bail in Jomunam police station, case number 21/2024. Under section 137 related to BNS. As for the affair of the case, dated 15/7/2024, lost by the informant slash mother of the victim before the Jamuna Hummo police station is that his minor daughter is about 14 years. While sleeping with her on 07/07/2024 was found missing on the same night since 4 a.m. Though the family members searched for her, but failed to trace her for the last 5 days. As such, the affair was accordingly filed on 15/7/2024, which was registered as Jomunam police station case number such and such. Is the replaced before the court reveals that the victim was recovered from Dhubri while she was with a lady. From the perusal of the statement of the victim made recorded by police under section 181(3) of the BNSS and section 183 BNSS Mazilan. Judicial Magistrate First Class Hojai on 18/07/2024. It appears that the victim, the minor victim, eloped with the petitioner, with whom she had acquaintance and was proceeding towards Mumbai in the train. However, at Guwahati Railway Police Station, at Guwahati Railway Station, she was dropped by the petitioner and ask her to wait so that he can feed her some food. But he did not return. On meeting a woman from Dhubri, the victim went with a lady to Dhubri, from where the victim was subsequently recovered as she contacted her family members from the house of the said lady at Dhubri. Pursuant to the order of the court, interim bail granted to the petitioner on by order the 08024. For the same from the case there that petitioner appeared before the concerned investigating officer of the case. On TNE 2024. And his statement was recorded by the concerned investigating officer of the case. Considering the court is of the view that custody nature of the petitioner is not warranted for investigation of such and such. Alright. The interim bail that deputy petitioner Princess Jamunam Number by the order of the 08024. Subject to the compliance of the terms and conditions specified by the court earlier on 88 September. আৰু এটা কাম কৰিব ইয়াৰ লগত চাই ল'বা এই কন্ডিশন কেইটাৰ লগত আৰু আমাৰ কিবা কন্ডিশন আছে সেইকেইটাৰ লগত and on complying with the following conditions. The books such as such return detail. তার আগত এটা চিন্তা কৰি also produce the medical report of the victim dated. Seventeen 72024. Return the case for the okay.
Obligation.
Yes.
Lordship,
Mr.
application under section 482, Lordship of the BNSS. Lordship will find the FIR on page 28. Lordship, I was served with a notice under section 35(1) on 25th of this month, and I'm scheduled to pay today before that. So Lordship, may kindly give me a chance to record my statement. May
This,
protect me.
earlier we have considered bail of this letter, this lady. My lord, Putuli Deka, we have, you were there, I think so. Very few days back,
Lordship,
both the mother and son.
Mother and son, Kosta Burwa.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes.
What order we have passed, we have not remembered.
It will be.
There are some bail
Lordship, here
applications.
is the order, Lordship.
Both of them were arrested.
Yes, Lordship. One Putuli.
Yes, yes, that's right.
Yes, Putuli Dobe. Deccan was. And Kosta Borua,
Kosta Burwa, son.
he was supposed personate.
And his wife, I think so.
Sangan,
They obtain default bail, I believe.
Lordship. Yes. Girlfriend and his doctor certificate.
Yes, what are the case there?
My lord, is one of the associate of both death, my lord, mother and son, my lord. And my lord, particularly involved in that fact, my lord, doctor certificate. And also received, my lord, lakhs of rupees from several persons. And my lord, in this regard, my lord, there is not only this case, my lord, there is
She
also.
is the wife of the other two accused.
No, Lordship.
No, my lord, she is not a wife, friend, my lord.
Lordship, one of the associate. My lord, may I
I
please
was in a
just-
relationship lordship with Kaustubh Deka from
Yes, my lord.
2019 to 2021. That is all relation, the lordship, the thing that I have with the named accused.
Yes.
And
Just a
lordship, I have a
Just a
lordship.
Yes, what is the involvement of this lady?
My lord, she has involved with this, my lord, fake doctor certificate of my lord Kaustubh Burua. And my lord, other thing, my lord, she also received money from several persons, my lord.
Why?
Several person for.
Nobody has alleged that she received.
My lord,
Nobody have alleged that she received.
no, my lord,
They
from the
mentioned
statement
about
of law, from the
Totally
statement of.
Decca only,
Yes, my lord, from both, my lord, mother and son, my lord.
but there is nothing from any
And my lord, another thing, my lord, in this connection, my lord, in several police station of Guwahati, my lord, altogether 16 cases are, my lord, pending, and all, my lord, CDs are, my lord, all for in, my lord, in different cases. So, my lord, it is a, my lord, organized crime, my lord, and my lord, other cities also, my lord, maybe.
Lordship, I may be allowed to just record my statement.
Pass on the case, David.
My lord.
Here in the case study, everybody mentioned about the other accused, nothing about the present petitioner.
Lordship.
Except making that false medical certificate. Hmm? Anything else? Leaving aside this? No, it is there, but thing is this, what we have found, nobody has stated about. But there is nothing, no such involvement of the petitioner. See, the place where she worked earlier, there is no complaint. Right? There is also no complaint that she is involved in something. Only the arrested accused have implicated her in that they said arrested accused along with the present petitioner made a false certificate, medical certificate in favor of her son. And her son and she had an affair, they lived together for some time. So no, in this particular matter, in the crime branch PS case number this, there is no mention that she has taken money from anywhere. Right? Only thing is that she made a fake certificate, fake medical certificate in favor of the one of the arrested accused, along with the mother of that accused. That much. Even see from the record itself, if you can show us that she has received money handed over to her. That's true. It is the that particular lady and her son, both of them are involved in the name of the same, right? But there is another person, somebody, Hemanto Talukdar, impersonated herself because he was giving a call. That man is not been identified yet.
My submission is that, very initial stage of investigation,
We understand, but show us any material. Show us any material concept.
There is some material, statement of
They have only said to that extent, they have implicated this petitioner only towards the making a forced document pertaining to the medical certificate of the.
Other victims, my lord, they have, the present lady, the present petitioner is, she was in dark, my lord. He came out.
No, you see that.
Collection of money, my lord.
The thing is this, Mr. Sharma, some material to show that the money was deposited in her account. And rather the son of the accused, the arrested person, was surviving on her money. He was working somewhere.
Another important accused, Amitabh Sharma, his case is also not here. Amitabh Sharma.
You can show us any material, that's the reason we are asking you.
Lordship, in that case, I may be protected, Lordship.
Because, my lord, if I get, my lord, the statement of Amitabh Sharma, my lord. My lord, I am facing, my lord.
Okay. In that case, 4th or 5th maximum.
Lordship, I may be protected.
We'll see on 5th, right? On, if you cannot place any materials on 5th, we'll pass the necessary order. Okay?
Lordship, I have to appear today, Lordship. I have a 2-year-old son, Lordship.
On the prayer of the counsel for the public prosecutor, Mr. B. Sharma, placed on 5th.
41.
May I please, your lordship? CD was called for, my lord, along with the complaint in connection with DD entry number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, CD is available. Lordship, interim was granted on 10/9/2024. Thereafter, Lordship, we have the case record up to 24/08/2024, Lordship. So we need the up-to-date CD along with the
Now-
statement.
When did the petitioner appear before the IO?
Date is not communicated, but he had recorded a statement.
Give us the date. When did he appear?
I will take instruction. Ma'am.
Okay, I have the instruction. We'll have it at 2 o'clock.
Lordship.
Okay.
Next, Matara Tamata.
43. 43 plus.
May I question? Should FIR plus 9, Lordship.
My lord, CD received, my lord.
Any material?
Material only, that is, my lord, the allegation is in the part of, that is the my lord, boundary trading of the material, that part. Witnesses stated, my lord, individual witnesses, that part. And that is recovered, my lord. Only that part. Earlier rejected by additional.
What is the
session judge.
role of the petitioner?
Petitioner from his own residence, my lord. From his own residence.
Recovered from the house of the petitioner?
My lord.
What is the last date of the case diary recorded in the case diary?
My lord, is my lord, this 15/10, my lord. 15/10/2024. My lord, sorry, 16/10, my lord, not 15/10, 16/10.
Accepting that recovery, there is nothing.
Apart from the recovery, the other witnesses, those who were present there, my lord, they said they left out when police came. Then they stated that part. Only other parties, what I found is that only the transportation to Bangladesh, that allegation is there. And
No, but thing is this, no such cattle have been recovered from his house.
not kettles,
excepting
my
the-
lord, not kettles, my lord, only the meat.
Hmm.
That part, 50 kgs.
That's true, but thing is this, kettles have not been recovered.
No.
In the case
No,
diary, there is
no,
any
no.
mention that he is involved in selling of these cattle to the outside the
No,
country.
cattle
or
not,
that's
recovered.
what it-
cattle not recovered. Not regarding that part, sir. Not regarding.
Liquor. What's your good name?
Yes, Salam, Lordship.
Not Mr. Asal, counsel appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Harrison, public prosecutor appearing for the state. By this application under section 482 BNS is stated of the petitioner namely such and such. Son of such and such, resident of village such and such. And the Agomani police station of the apprehending his arrest in Agomani police station case number 65/2023 under section 13(1) of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act 2021 corresponding to GR case number 862/2024 as prayed for. Yes, you can say Agomani cases. As for the affair of the case, that is 29/07/2024 lost by ASI of Agomani Police Station. In that lost on 29/07/2024 on that. In the previous morning, around 8 AM on 28/07/2024. An information was received that the petitioner has slaughtered a cow in his premise, in his residence, or in his premise for illegal sale of beef. On receiving the said information, it was entered as the entry number 45 dated 28/07/2024 in said Agamoni Police Station. With due authorization, the police personnel from Agamoni Police Station arrived at the place of occurrence in the morning around 8:30 AM on 28/07/2024 in the house of the petitioner. Post of seeing police, the petitioner and his family members and others present in his house fled away from the scene, abandoning their residence. During such search, with due permission, the premises of the petitioner, 50 kg of beef kept for illegal sale was recovered, along with 2 cows to cut those meats, 1 electronic weighing machine, and 4 numbers of motorcycles without owners. Those were accordingly seized. On the place of occurrence in presence of witnesses by making proper videography. The said Sarikin Azahara accordingly registered as Agamoni PS case number 65 of 2024, corresponding to GR case number 66. From the case therein, Mr. Goshal and additional public prosecutor submitted that only 50 kgs of beef was recovered from the house of the petitioner, that he kept it for illegal sale along with the weighing machine and 2 dows to cut those meats along with the weighing machine. Weighing machine to the kitchen. However, it is also submitted by Mr. Bashal and additional public prosecutor that no such cattle was recovered from the house of the petitioner. Excepting those beef. Considering such materials in the case, the report of custody depends on 30,000 to local security. Appear before I. Resting authority. Sixth. Not the condition that apparently. They were substantial. 800 case. Okay.
Lordship, item number 45, CD has not come.
Okay, pass the order. Next.
Police officer. Since July, I am on bail, Your Lordship. Not flouted the conditions, Your Lordship.
Take your seat, Mr. Bhutta.
Close.
Not really. Mr. Sharma, when the recovery was made,
My lord,
when the recovery was made.
On 11/9, my lord.
Yes, my lord. Sir, in the, my lord, in the bail objection also that is reviewed, my lord, and my lord, seizure list will be added.
Page 24, your lordship, of my petition.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord.
the concern IO earlier forwarded a report on 18th of July as per this record. Same report was forwarded, same. There is not a difference, a single word. Again on 18/9, same report. What has she has since 18/7, same letter, same thing, no new input, nothing. And he's a CID inspector.
Can I make two submissions, Your Lordship?
Yes, Mr. Bhattu.
Lordship, so far as this case is concerned, Your Lordship, apart from the fact that on 10th, when the first time Your Lordship, apart from that, Your Lordship will note, Your Lordship, and Your Lordship, they have waited till for 11/9, the recoveries were
When
made.
the interim bail was granted,
Your Lordship, in the month of July, Your Lordship, it was probably during vacation, then 7th of July.
now,
Now we are in October, Your Lordship.
okay.
I have been,
Now,
Your
what are the grounds?
Lordship, basically my ground is this, Your Lordship, on.
No. What are the conditions of bail? Interim bail?
I need not, Your Lord, will not leave, Your Lordship, the jurisdiction of the, that I have not, Your Lordship.
You belong to a discipline force.
Lordship.
You have not complied with the terms and condition of the order of the court. You are residing where?
Lordship, I am, Your Lordship, residing.
Where are you residing now?
Lordship, as of now, Your Lordship, today, Your Lordship, where I don't have any.
About today, we're not talking. That's the reason we're asking you. When the court granted you bail? Where is the order that you have moved to Tezpur without the leaving of the CZM Kamrup Metro Guwahati?
That, Your Lordship, I will have to take the instruction.
There is nothing. The notice was served to you at your residence at
That is, Your Lordship.
Tezpur, your mother received it.
Prior
After
to,
the
Your
bail-
Lordship, prior to grant of
Yes.
interim bail, Your Lordship.
After that, when the bail was granted,
I went, I appeared, Your Lordship,
on which date?
on 11, probably. Your statement is there, Your Lordship.
When did you appear before the IO?
On 11th, Your
You
Lordship.
appear before the IO on 12th.
Your Lordship.
From where you appeared?
Your Lordship, I came from, Your Lordship, Tezpur, Your Lordship.
Now thereafter,
Thereafter, Your Lordship, so far as my instruction goes, Your Lordship, she stayed at her home at Guwahati for Guwahati, Your Lordship, initially.
where is your residence at Guwahati?
Lordship, that she has a residence, Your Lordship, but I have not. If necessary, Your Lordship, I will make a additional affidavit.
You
Your
have
Lordship.
made it specific information that after your suspension, the government quarter has been seized.
Government
It's under
quarter has
lock.
been seized and now that has been, Your Lordship, taken, Your Lordship.
Right, now you stayed at Tezpur.
Lordship.
Where is your residence at Guwahati?
Guwahati, Your Lordship, she has a residence at from Guwahati, Your Lordship. I will have to specifically take instruction on that, Your Lordship.
Yes, so Mr. Sharma, what do you have to say? The record doesn't contain any such things that she has violated any terms and conditions.
My lord, that order, my lord, granting interim, my lord, that is not for me, my lord. That if any condition is violated, my lord, that is other thing, my lord.
Right.
That is also not annexed in the petition, my lord.
But Mr. S. Botagor counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Apprehending her arrest. In CID police station case number 01/2024 under section 25 within bracket 1-A of the Arms Act 1959. On receipt of notice. Under section 41 ACRPC. Relating to CIDPS case. The petitioner filed this application under section 438 CRPC 482 BNSS. Praying for her parents by inside CIDPS case number 01. Matter relates to recovery of 10 numbers of live nominations. In rounds of 9 mm live ammunitions packed in a khaki paper box marked as 35 cartridge 9 mm ball MK 2 JKF 31B-12-06. Recovery application from the government resident of the petitioner on 11/09/2023. Recovery of certain such during her period of suspension from service. Look at all. The court by order dated 11/07/2024. granted interim bail to the petitioner in said CIDPS case number 012024 and call for the case diary. As the relevant case diary was not placed before the court earlier, the petitioner was, the interim bail of the petitioner in said CIDPS case number of such and such was extended by various orders, fixing the matter today. The case diary of CIDPS case number such and such placed by Mr. B. Sharma, additional public prosecutor. From the case diary, it is seen that on obtaining such interim bail on 11/07/2024 from the court, the petitioner appeared before the concerned investigating officer of CIDPS case number 01/2024 on 12/07/2024, and her statement was recorded by the concerned investigating officer of the case. It is also seen from the case diary that pass on the case diary. The IO of the said CIDPS case on 12/07/2024 allowed to go her on liberty and directed her to cooperate with the investigation of the case. The case diary produced before the court that was up to, that recorded up to 16/09/2024. Did not indicate that the petitioner violated any of the terms and conditions specified by the court in the order that 11/07/2024 while granting interim bail to her. Further, the notes of the concerned IO up to 16/09/2024 also did not indicate that the petitioner did not cooperate with the investigation of the case. Considering such materials in the case there, the court is of the view that custodial detention of the petitioner is not warranted for investigation of such and such crime. Accordingly, the interim bail of the petitioner that 11/07/2024 passed in, given in CIDPS case number 01/2024 under section 25 within bracket 1-A of the Arms Act 1959 is hereby made absolute on condition that she shall comply with the terms and conditions such and such. It is made clear the failure on the part of the petitioner to comply with any of the provisions of the conditions specified in the order creates bail granted to the petitioner, namely such and such in said CIDPS case number such as shall stand automatically granted.
Deeply obliged, Lord.
56. Written the case that he carried.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, this FIR has been lodged. It's long back, 2 years back, my lord, on 5/8/2022. Is that page 10, my lord?
Yes, sir.
And basically, my lord,
Yes, what are the materials in the case diary?
My lord, on 54 statement, my lord, and the birth certificate seized by the police, my lord. As per that, my lord, below 18 years, my lord. As in the time of incident is 17 years, 3 months, 5 days, my lord. And from 161 and 164, my lord. Means that the part one.
My lord, from the record from order dated 3/2/2023, passed by the learned session judge Kokrajhar, my lord, it reveals that the victim has
You are
refused for the medical examination.
You are Mukhlis Ali.
Yes, my lord. Where is it is mandatory, my lord, under the POCSO Act, my lord, section 27.
Just. pass it.
And all the other accused persons were granted bail, my lord. Off video.
MS MK Brown. Run at America still. For the informal response, opposite party number 2. Petitioner. Namely such and such.
Itself, my FIR was not there, only part of the FIR was shown. Now I think it is there, now we have also got the FIR, my lord. But the main contents is there in the order itself, my lord. In term of the High Court order, he appeared, my lord, and his statement also, I think, recorded.
Yes, Mr. Hupan, what is there?
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, I have seen, my lord, there is, police has seized near about, my lord, the 31 documents, my lord. Where it shows, my lord, there is so many, my lord, the total 13 numbers of documents, my lord, that was seized. It seems, my lord, so many, my lord, the comments means against the, my lord, the informant and his, my lord, the husband, my lord. And both the persons are, my lord, the public figures, my lord, the informant husband is in, my lord, he is in the present, my lord, ministers, my lord. And she is a, my lord, the film actress, my lord. And so many, my lord, derogative, my lord, comments made against her, my lord, and her husband's, my lord. And it shows, my lord, they're demeaning their, my lord, the integrity, my lord, their reputations in the society, my lord. So it's my lord, it seems, my lord, it's amount to cruelty. Cruelty doesn't mean, my lord, directly physical touch and all, my lord. So sometimes, my lord, the Supreme Court in many cases say cruelty means, my lord, it's mental harassment also. It's a kind of mental harassment to the, my lord, the informant. It is not the single occasions, my lord, he, my lord, publish or, my lord, the post such type of comments against her. In many, my lord, in her, one film she was, my lord, acted, wherein also, my lord, she, the present accused, my lord, commented many, my lord, demeaning, my lord, the post against her, my lord. So it's demeaning her reputations, my lord. Kindly see that I have the, my lord, the statement of the informant is there, my lord. And it is not only his in a single incident. Earlier also, my lord, he was in jail for last 18 days, publishing such type of post. That bail applications, my lord, it was later on granted, my lord, after judicial custody, my lord. That is annexure 4 at page 16.
That we have mentioned.
Yes, my lord, they have annexed in her petitions. And he is in, my lord, habitual offender, my lord. Kindly peruse the case diary, my lord. I have, my lord, that is. Yes. I have flag mark.
My question, my lord, he is a spokesperson of a political party, my lord. He used to make this type of statement, not directly against that lady, my lord. My lord, everything was in response to the government, my lord, this minister, husband, my lord. She herself has taken on her own, my lord. And the photo which he uploaded, that photo is uploaded from her own Facebook, my lord, account. It is not that I have uploaded, my lord. And your lordship will find the sections which have been, my lord, there, whether any of the sections are attracted in the present case. Custody interrogation is required or not, my lord. Already appeared in terms of this honorable court's order, and he was there, my lord, and he is ready to face anytime whenever he is called, my lord, he will go there. My only the custody interrogation is required in this type of cases, my lord. Purely political one, my lord. Nothing against her, my lord. Because one syndicate was a Piat syndicate, Onion, my lord. He simply meant, my lord, when that person said that you are having, my lord, the Congress is coming to power, it is in your dream. That my husband of the informant said. In response to that, he made something. So that thing, everything, my lord, political statement against the husband, not against her, my lord. No derogatory remarks is made against her, my lord. In my humble submission, from if your lordship go from this But defamation may be there if at all, my lord. For that custodial interrogation, I am only on that at this stage, my lord. And this is duty, my lord, as a spokesperson to point out political reply he is giving, my lord.
The way the post was given is not his duty, my lord.
Now, against her, nothing, my lord. Your lordship
Well,
can
can we
see
see her, my
whether
lord,
any
FIR?
word has been said directly against her, my lord. Nothing. As my understanding, I have gone through 2 or 3 posts, my lord. Nothing is there against her, my lord. Rather, he appreciated her, my lord. He thought that how this a very good lady, my lord, how he was married to this person. So that is the appreciation, my lord.
Not only this post, my lord. Earlier, so many posts are against her, my lord. Can
My
you-
lord, Posa
It was
Pias,
seized.
Posa Pias, my lord. That is the word he is. This Pias syndicate is there, my lord. So that's why. How a beautiful lady, how a good lady, how a man of integrity women, how she married to this person. This is what he meant, my lord. Nothing against her, my lord.
He is treated to be an object, my lord.
No, that you may interpret in your own
She is
way.
a public
I
figure,
have
my lord.
never intended, my lord.
And she is the first lady, my lord, who are, my lord, stand represent the Assam's, my lord, at red carpet. My lord.
No, we appreciate, my lord. We are proud of her, my lord. We have nothing to say against her, my lord. We have process, no? We have process.
Bro.
My lord. Yes, he is appearing, my lord, after it.
I need to have a custodial.
My lord, here, my lord, one line has been written, though it has been appeared. Here it clearly says that, my lord, in the year of 2009, in the name of Sri so-and-so, during opening time, he is used to personal email account, verification of the account in the year 2024. Further, the FI name accused, he also stated now the working of so-and-so. So lordship may give more time to investigate the case.
That's what
So
we're
extend his, my lord, the interim in meantime, my lord, then,
Tell us, because otherwise that report is very clear.
my lord, yes.
That is cooperating with the investigation.
My lord.
So if you are saying that it is the first time it has come.
My lord.
Please, tell us when,
My lord, after 2 weeks, my lord.
give us a date, Mr. Kripal, because that will be easier for you.
On 18th of November, my lord. 18th of November. Next day.
Heard Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, London Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. N. Counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. M. Fukan, London Public Prosecutor Assam for the state. On the prayer of Mr. Fukan, London Public Prosecutor Assam. The concerned investigating officer of dispute PS case number 1091 or 2024. Is allowed to place up-to-date case diary on the next date fixed. I know the list, list on 18/11/2024, right?
My lord.
Till then. The date to provide petitioner shall be on interim bail and since this full PS case number 1091/24. Persons to be interim or bail dated 08/10/2024. Subject to the compliance of the conditions incorporated by the court. Condition imposed upon him, incorporated according to said order, dated 8/10/2024. With a further condition that he shall not leave the jurisdiction of the Dispur police station without prior written permission from the investigating officer of said Dispur case number 109.
Much obliged, boss.
Obliged.
Let's take up the matter in the first half and next in the.
Yes, ma'am, this is from Buragaon.
My lord,
This is completed.
Lordship.
90 days, my lord.
Today is the 90th day.
Yes, Lordship.
My
Item number
lord.
16, Lordship. Item number 16.
Yes.
My lord, he was forwarded on 31st July 2024.
Lordship, as on today, Lordship, as per learned friend has. As on today, 91 days, Lordship. And there is a IO's note, Lordship, because of FSL report and DNA report. The case could not be, Sarsit could not be filed on time. And thereafter also, Lordship, this case is amalgamated to another case because the petitioner is the same in respect of Lordship. One Lahorighat PS case number 254 of the 22. Lordship, kindly go through the IO's note.
Whether there is any order of the learned CJM amalgamating both the cases?
Yes, the order dated 9/10/11. No,
No, by
Not
which the Buddha cases have been amalgamated?
Lordship kindly go through it.
APT case, APT case.
It's a petitioner একে হয়। এখানে case right to lose this.
मैंने कि FIR हमसे नहीं की यार ब्रदर।
আছে কেসটা মানে বঙ্কিমে করার কথা আছে না নোট টু সালুট
It has been amalgamated.
My lord, what is,
Pursuant to the order of the learned Foxes also.
my lord, that is another case where
Lowry Ghat Police Station case number 254/2023. Wherein search sheet has already been filed.
Yes.
my lord, that case is, my lord, we are arrested in another case, my lord.
That's why I'm telling you, it has been amalgamated with Lowry Ghat Police Station case number 254/2023, which the petitioner is fully aware. About amalgamation, he may not be aware. But at least that Lowry Ghat PS case with which the learned special judge has amalgamated. So it will be outcome of that case.
My lord, in this case, my lord, kindly have a look at the FIR.
No, we are not on that. Pursuant to the order of the court, Mr. Sikdar,
My lord.
pursuant to the order of the learned special judge Foxo, this case, Puragaon PS case has been amalgamated with Lowry Ghat Police Station case. Both the cases are under section Foxo acts are there.
Foxo.
Sections are there, so
But it-
both the cases now have been amalgamated with Lowry Ghat PS case number 254/2023.
My lord, whether charge sheet has been submitted in that case.
That will only you will know.
My lord, we are not aware of that case, my lord. I have no instruction, my lord. The case pending rakhi ki hobo, je close karibo dilo. My lord, he is in 90 days in custody, my lord.
So
My
we cannot-
prayer is
question of
that
releasing
this,
him.
this bail petition may be closed, my lord.
That thing is this already amalgamated. So question of this case is no longer there. There may be true registration of a case on the similar offense, right? Same
My
cause of
lord.
action. There may be because here you may file, there you may file, a complaint may file. But
My
thing
lord,
is
is
this,
relating to a husband, wife, my lord. My lord, father lord the case, my lord.
Something different.
It may be closed, my lord. 90 days is sober, my lord, this matter pending, my lord, since September 2024, 20th September. FIR, my lord, goes to show that, my lord, lost the case after 1.5 years. Prima facie, there is no elopement, no abduction, my lord, it's a marriage on consent, my lord, both the parties.
Therefore, third, Mr. A.R. Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner. And such for additional public prosecutor Assam for the state opposite party number 1.
This is Igor Guru.
Pending
No, pending.
pending
It is submitted by person to the written Ejaha. Laws by the informant opposite party no to
If you do the সামনে করে নিবে অন্য কেস থাকলে পেমেন্ট করতে ভালো কেস দিল
that the petitioner about 1.5 years back induced his minor daughter thereby abducted her and kept her at Dimapur. Thereafter, he entered into an agreement that he will marry the informant's minor daughter on attaining her majority. And ask the informant not to lodge any complaint against him. After keeping his minor daughter under his custody for about 9 months, and thereafter about 2 days in his parents' house, dropped his daughter, minor daughter, kept his minor daughter in his house, making her impregnated. Thereafter, the petition fled away. About 5 months back, from lodging of the affair, his minor daughter gave birth to a male child. Though the accused petitioner has been informed about it in receipt, because sometimes what happened, they have the supplementary case diary.
Yes.
On the basis of that, they might give,
In respect of item number 51 also.
get the information. Both the matters, you get the information. If charge has not been filed, then we'll pass the order at 10:30.
My lord, that part is here because my lord, there is one accompanying letter, my warning letter. That is the of 8/10/2022. Today itself, my lord, was sent from the East.
No, for Sarsit,
No, my lord, for this.
they have sent the case diary today
Today,
to the public prosecutor.
yes.
This is from which police station? This is 48.
My lord, no, 51. My lord, item number 51, that is the following letter.
Okay, place it tomorrow.
My,
It appears that the FSL report has not yet received.
my lord, FSL, probably give but not chemical analysis, that report is available.
Produce it
Because of
tomorrow.
the date.
Produce it tomorrow, to list tomorrow at 10:30. Kali, by slip. Is that you done good? Item 40, item 51.
51, my lord, this is 51.
I think 48 or whatever is from. No, no. We'll ask for my, এটা বোধহয় পিছর লগে লগে যত হয়েছিল। Evening. ঠিক আছে, হয়েছে।
This is not the system.
If I- 45, some book is there. Why 45? 45, it has to come from which police station?
Fine. Forty-five Lordship, Sialmari PS Lordship, Nalbari.
It's from Nalbari district.
Yes, Lordship.
He is already on interim bail.
Lordship,
It should not be on 14th.
Lordship.
Anyway, okay, on 14th it is. Okay, let it be on 14th.
Lordship.
Yes, yes, Mr. Sharma.
May it please, my lord. My lords, this is an application for anticipatory bail. My lords, my case is that the pistol and the other magazine and the cartridges which have been recovered were planted. For that purpose, my lords, the timeline for the registration of the FIR and my lords, the GD entry and the seizure, they are very important. My lords will kindly first see the GD entry at page 42, annexure 1. The GD entry, my lords, was made on the 8th of June 2024 at night, my lords, 12:20 AM. Thereafter, my lords, the seizure takes place that I have mentioned at page 32. My lords, has the page 42, my lords?
Yes. Mr. Sharma, just a minute. Do you have the up-to-date case diary, ma'am?
Lordship, we have received the case diary. CD is up to Lordship. 1906-2024. So
In
we
spite
need,
of the orders of the court, on 2-3 occasions, the court has passed an order for
Yes.
up-to-date case diary.
Lordship. So
In
the-
fact, my lords, as my lords are pointing out, my lords, 23rd of June 2024, my lords have already possibly seen that. Well, the reason for this up-to-date case diary was that our case has been, we filed a complaint also, saying that there is an enmity between me and one Mr. Jahangir Alam. Now, Jahangir Alam, my lords, is also an independent witness in the seizure, the memo and in the list, my lords, his name appears. My case is that before the police actually comes and seizes these, the pistol and the other things, my lord, Jahangir Alam with several other officers came to my residence, they ransacked my place, and then in that commotion, my lords, this arms and ammunition, my lords, this was planted at my place. This is my case, and this is a case where I have actually come forward and given my stated case that this is planted. So therefore, in this case, my lords, the timelines are important because there is a difference of almost 8 hours from the time when the GD entry is made and the seizure list is carried out at about 2:30, and subsequently, my lords, the FIR is lodged at 9:30 PM at night. No, in this case, my lords, no section 41A notice has been issued to me. My lords, when I have said that my defense is that the arms and ammunition that allegedly have been recovered is planted, my lords, the investigating officer ought to have carried out the investigation, and that should have been a part of the investigation. And that is, as my lords have rightly put it to my learned friend, why is the up-to-date case diary not being filed? Because this particular aspect also was to be considered. My instructions are that this matter has come up on several occasions, and this has been an aspect which has been repeatedly pointed out before my predecessor, my lord's predecessor, the benches which have heard the matter. So in this case, my lords, this is only a case of anticipatory bail. I am ready to join investigation, my lord. I have stated that this is planted.
The
Let me,
stage of the complaint that you have lodged on 12th of June.
my lords, I am not aware of the stage. My lords, my learned friend, instructing counsel will be able to assist my lords on this. As far as I am concerned, my lords, no investigation has been carried out on this.
Whether this has been forwarded to the concerned police station?
No, madam, till now.
What is it, this stage? Because this is an old one, 12th of June, 2020.
Yes, after the filing of the complaint, madam, again, last order request passed was granting some time for appropriate measures to be taken. Madam.
Your complaint?
By complaint, yes, sir. It's still not been forwarded to the police. And the police have not taken up.
Now, whether the learned magistrate has forwarded it to the concerned police station?
No.
So that is why I'm asking you, what is the stage it is pending?
It
has been definitely numbered.
Recording of the statement of the complainant.
Recording of the statement of the informant, complainant. What is the next date?
Then we have to take it.
Well, independent of that, well, in this particular FIR, that investigation can always be made a part. It does not matter. There is already an FIR which has been opened. In that can be definitely a component of the investigation. That can be definitely a part of it. Because the facts are not independent of each other, then the complaint is actually, in a way, my defense. And if I am given the interim protection, my lords, I can appear before the IO. I can place the material or whatever statements I wish to give, my lords. I can place that. In any case, my lords, this is a case where no recovery is to be made because the recovery presumably has already been done. So there is no need for custodial interrogation anyways. Today, we are only on the point whether custodial interrogation is essential or not. At the stage of anticipatory bail, my lords are only considering that aspect. And my lords, more importantly, the FIR says that these my lords, arms and ammunition have been recovered for the purposes, my lords, I was going to use them for extortion, kidnapping, and other illegal business. My lords, I have no history. There is no past history. And there is no proof that I have been ever involved in any, my lords, it says that I am going to run some illegal business with certain associates. There is no prior, and there is no allegation either in the FIR or otherwise there is no evidence also that I have ever been involved or I've ever been implicated for any such thing.
Heard Mr. P. Sharma, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. Elal, Counsel for the particular. CPC Sharma, this is the also heard MS of the Equal and Additional Public Prosecutor Equity for the state. Pursuant to the order of the court dated 1909-20, 1909-2024, 1908-2024. The last date in the case diary?
Lordship, last date is 19/06/2024.
Methodological and Additional Public Prosecutor Summary. The last entry in the case diary, relevant case diary job, such and such date. Pursuant to the order of the court dated 1908 2024, the investigating officer of Gosaigaon PS case number 88/2024 shall place the up-to-date case diary as on 31 case diary date number placed on 13/11 failure on the part of the concerned IO to place the up-to-date case diary as directed by the court earlier on. He shall have to personally remain present before the court at 10:30 AM. Said it.
But I have just one request. Since this is anticipatory bail, my lords, I'm seeking interim protection. Can it be slightly earlier?
Otherwise, it has to be taken back. Anyway, we'll consider on the next day.
My lord, I'm obliged. I'm deeply obliged.
Copy of the short. Sara Kotele. The case diary on Gosaigaon PS case number immediately done for its updating. Copy of this order such and such to Miss such and such for her necessity. Okay, get this
Yes, Doctor.
up to date.
Yes.
এইটো অৰ্ডাৰ কৰিব লাগিব এইটো মাই এইটো কোনে লাগিব আছেতো 2255 এইটোতো 2255
Highly obliged.